Hi everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a very unique and interesting hover effect to your website here in Celeron Pro. So let's get started. First of all, there's a couple of things that we need to do. We're going to start by adding our custom code to our page settings. Now, in this example, I'm going to be adding this custom code to the home page settings, but you can just add the custom code to all of your pages by simply going to your site settings and then finding the custom code section and then pasting the codes right here. However, in this example, I'm just going to be doing it for the home page. So I'm going to hit the open site and I'm going to be adding my custom code. So first I'm going to go to the page settings for my home page and I'm going to scroll down to the custom code section and I'm going to be adding my code right here. So I'm going to be going over and copying this code and putting it over here. This is going to be the style code that's going to be located in the first block that says inside head tag. Then on the bottom one, I'm going to be copying this code and putting it over here. And now I'm going to hit save button. But there's a couple of more things we need to do. First, we're going to be adding a HTML embed. I'm going to be adding an embed over here. And inside my embed, I'm going to be adding this code, copying, pasting it. And once I've done that, I need to style my actual HTML embed. So I'm going to be giving it a style of canvas outer. Right there, and we're going to be giving our canvas the style of 100, view width 100%, and a position of fixed with a z-index of -1. And we're going to be setting all of the left and right and bottom and the top values to 0. Now that we've done this, we have our canvas element ready. That's going to be basically placing our hover effect inside of it. And we're going to have our custom code ready to actually retrieve our elements, CSS and JavaScript code and showing it. Now, if you're wondering, you can find all these custom codes that I just used in this video inside of our custom section. They're all located down here. Here's the first one, and then the JavaScript one, and then the actual embed one. So now I'm going to be opening my website before I publish it. So I have it right here. We can see it's working fine, but doesn't have the effect. And now I'm going to publish my website. And we're going to be looking at it once it's published. While this is publishing, I just want to mention one thing, that the code that's being used in this project is located inside my personal GitHub, and you can copy the code right here, which is also linked in our HTML, in our site settings. But in case you're trying to change some of the settings, you can do so by changing the values over here in the config variable. Or you can, if you want to change the color for the actual effect, you can do so by searching generate color and finding this function right here on this line, and changing some of the RGB values by changing these values right here. Of course, you can't copy and paste all this code inside of Webflow because of the 5,000 character limitations. So you'll have to use your own GitHub account or your own hosting. Okay, so now that this is done, we're going to open the new published version, and we're going to be comparing it to the old one. So we can see there's the blue effect that's hovering, and as the user hovers their mouse, it's going to be following their mouse and creating this very unique effect. And it even changes its color right here. It gets the negative, which is going to be yellow color. Now I'm going to change this to dark mode, and now we can see a completely different color to match our dark mode. and it's completely responsive as well. Let me just reload. There we go. Now go dark mode, and it's working. Thank you for watching.